Okay, setting up. Chat. Honey, where's the thing? Oh. Okay, cool. Font size. Offline? Nani? Thanks. Okay. Quick training and then I'll start. There you go, Mark. Okay, cool. Let's see. So yesterday I had a bit of a break. Actually, not a break. I fixed a bunch of bugs. Hey, how's well, I'm in hell actually. So I wanted to talk about that. Like, I wanted to deploy today, like in the afternoon, before stream. Unfortunately, I ran into some issues. Basically, the reflex upgrade I made also fucked up deploying, apparently. I don't know why. So I can build locally, but let's show it. Right, every time I'm running this spell, deploy beta, it like uses some Nixon shit to deploy the entire thing. But it breaks on network socket. Oh crap, this is also running locally. I didn't even think about that. This is gonna take ages then. Maybe streaming now is not a good idea. Probably should figure this out first, but... What's up, Lummy? We even... Finally we get to see some actual debugging. No, like, I fixed the bugs. I fixed the bugs, man. I mean, I think most of my stream is debugging. I got DHCID to work, which was very nice. Very nice. Let's see, update entry, huh? Right. So this is the most beautiful way of like fixing that bug. We just every time we get an entry event, which like changes the roster entry, like the change we get inside, we temporarily block the outgoing events. So now the saving doesn't work anymore. So you have like 1 second later the updated entry will fire another event which stops the blocking. So if we get an updated entry, we'll start blocking. We won't allow it through the gate anymore. The gate is here. And after that we'll stop blocking. So that's like the fix. The fix made for that. Oh my god, it's so fucking slow. Okay, maybe I need to run it on the other laptop. But the other laptop didn't build either. By the way, I don't want to distract much, but do you know of a way to have the GCI REPL do not run in interpreter mode? And that instead of about... No, I don't know. What? It's always interpreting, right? That's the advantage of using GCI. If you just want to compile, then you should use GHC. You want them to compile though. What? Well, you can run a command in GCI, right? In REPL and compiler. Ah, I see. You wanna like do basically hot. What is it called? What the JVM also does, like runtime. Do you even want to be a mod, by the way? I made you a mod, but I didn't ask you. What are my responsibilities? Well, it was more about the ability to create commands for the chatbot. That's why I made you. You get to block other bots. I mean, not so much mod here. Okay, he'll not. Maybe I thought maybe you wanted to create commands, but some people like being. Maybe at some time. And mod. Should have asked before. In fact, you. Nani kore? I don't understand this. Oh, there's 2 amps, right. My bad. There you go. No responsibilities. Done. Oh, this is also this also needs to enter the shell. Why is everything fucked? What the fuck? Oh, by the way, I didn't even broadcast on Twitter. And I found I thought of a sassy way of doing it. Quickly eval an expression in the report, and it was really slow. Oh. I thought like GHC, like recently I've been playing with, so I set up, what do you call it? This thing, right? This also uses GTI to run stuff. You can also pass apparently GT options. You can do GT options. You can compile like do O2 instead of O0. I think this works. I'm not sure if it works for a compilation, but you could at least pass it as a flag. Well, not O0, you shouldn't do O2. That's the good one. And then we'll do optimizations or whatever. $500 times faster. It sounds about right. Like, the HCI doesn't. I don't think it does any optimizations. It doesn't do the rules at all. Notification. Must not have been watching, are you? Oh! Well, there you have it. No compilations, apparently. Guess the debug flags, though. Streaming. Streaming Haskell upgrade hell. Join me in hell. What is this doing then? I don't get it. I was entering GTI and it's compiling everything. So, can I build a web service? That's a good question. I don't know. I don't use GTI a lot. Well, I'm gonna use it. For GTID at least. Because this is way better. This is too slow. I'm gonna SSH in the other machine and we'll make it work from there. I don't know how. I was looking at that also in the afternoon. It took me like an hour and I still haven't finished. I'm gonna quit this. I don't wanna tax my machine that much. Also gonna quit this. I bet like it will create a massive delay if I keep doing that in the stream. Not roster. This is the most recent one, right? Or maybe not. So in compiled mode, the program I wrote was 15% faster than the closure I typed in REPL. Makes the REPL in Haskell much less useful and basically creates a bigger for stuff. Trying to prototype. I think the REPL is only for debugging. Like some people really like using GHCI to, you know, quickly evaluate stuff and see if it works together, but not as a way to run stuff. I don't think many people use the REPL for just running actual code, like actual programs. Next build web service. Look at the difference in speed. You run benchmark in a REPL? Oh, by the way, if you wanna, like there's also that track now, so you can submit music if you. But if this builds, it means I don't get it. Why does the Nix thing doesn't build and the other one does? Right. So I already fixed the database stuff. That's good. But now actual deploying the code, I'm just stuck. I don't know what's going on. I think this fails even earlier. This is like failing on it can't find a package. And I think I know why, because the path it's using is broken. We go to like Hisoka. Hello Hisoka. Oh, it's also fading. What the fuck? It's both failing. So there's definitely something wrong with my reflex. Fuck. Once you get higher terms of abstractions in Clojure, performance suffers, whereas in Haskell with it so well in optimized code, so many zero overhead abstractions basically. Cause of the nice monomorphism? Nani? It's because of the fusion stuff, right? That's why they do it. Like, I don't know what you're talking about here specifically. Dynamic dispatch. Oh, okay, okay. We don't do that much in Haskell, right? There's a fusion. Well, you can do dynamic dispatch with existentials. I've done this. It's just a really pain in the ass to do dynamic dispatch. Oh. It's called transducers. And it's also like, yeah. Real-time pattern matching, right? No, you can disable monomorphism. I want to show it. It's really laggy though, my Emacs. Don't kill it. Let's try again. Come on. There we are. Maybe I just don't get a fast Emacs. Default. Right, because they allow types to be something else than what they say they are. Hey Maruchandayo. What's up? Welcome to hell. Welcome to hell. We're in hell. We're in hell. We're in hell. Oh right, I need to do the font size. I think Rust also doesn't have dynamic dispatch. Like you have to like jump to hooks, just like in Haskell with existentials. Haskell lovely. Not even Haskell yet. Nix. Are you what? No, that's fine. I want to have some camaraderie during my hell. Oh, this is ideas. I want to have checklist. Okay, the Emacs didn't even become faster. What the hell, man? What the hell? We're in hell. Something in Rust. Java removes its profile guide optimization. It's in time. And close with. Huh? Oh. Java, like, I stopped using Java because it was just too magical around. Like you had to jump, you had to be very precise to keep everything on stack, for example, and not box everything. Just weird. If you want to write games, it's important. Important. What was I doing? Alright, I want to search this error. I've seen this before, I think. I remember this. Not found. Does not export. Does not export. Blah. Okay, it's from 2014. I bet I have some like weird versioning shit going on. I don't know how to get rid of it. Before I try to upgrade this network library. Because like this is in base. System.posx is in base. We can't upgrade base, can we? Oh, we know the version. Maybe we can downgrade base. Actually, now I think about it. This is 3. That's 2. Why is it 2? Why are you using 2? If calls are more